Let's talk about departmentation. That's just a fancy term for dividing an organization into smaller units to make management easier.
Think of departmentation like splitting a big task into smaller, more manageable pieces. In a school, you have departments like science, arts, and commerce, each focused on specific goals, but still working toward the school's overall success. That's exactly how organizations operate too. They break into departments to work smarter, not harder.
There are many ways to divide an organization: by function, geography, product, or customer. Today, we're focusing on the product and customer types.
Each type of departmentation has its own reason for existing. For example, a company might organize by product, like one team for phones and another for laptops, or by customer, one team for students, another for businesses. The goal is always the same: make management smooth and customers happy.
Product departmentation means grouping work according to the products a company makes. Example, a company like Samsung might have separate divisions for TVs, phones, and home appliances.
In this system, every product line has its own mini organization. There is a manager in charge of everything related to that product, from design to production to sales. It's like each product is a small business inside a bigger one.
Each product manager has full responsibility and authority over their product. They make decisions, solve problems, and ensure that product succeeds in the market.
Think of the product manager as the CEO of that product. If something goes wrong, production delays, quality issues, or poor sales, it's on them. They coordinate with engineers, marketers, and salespeople to make sure everything runs smoothly.
Why product departmentation works so well? 1. Each manager focuses fully on one product. 2. Profits and expenses are clearly tracked. 3. Coordination improves across departments. 4. It prepares managers for bigger roles. And 5. It encourages innovation and growth.
This method gives every product the attention it deserves. When one manager oversees all aspects, decisions become faster and more targeted. It's also a great way to train future leaders because managing one product's full cycle is like managing a company in miniature.
But it's not all rosy. Product departmentation has its challenges too. 1. It needs generalist managers, not just technical experts. 2. It can reduce cost efficiency. 3. It increases management overheads.
Imagine an engineer suddenly asked to handle marketing and finance. Tricky, right? That's why product managers must be all-rounders. Also, if each product team works separately, they might miss out on savings from bulk purchases. And yes, more departments mean higher costs.
Now, let's switch gears and talk about departmentation by customer. This one focuses on who the organization serves, not what it sells.
Here, customers determine how departments are grouped. Banks, for example, have departments for savings accounts, current accounts, and agricultural loans, each serving a specific customer type. It's about tailoring service to the customer's needs.
Why customer departmentation rocks? 1. It focuses directly on customer needs. 2. It makes customers feel understood and valued. 3. It helps employees become experts in serving specific groups.
When a company structures itself around customers, people feel seen. They trust that the business understands them, and that builds loyalty. Also, when staff keep dealing with the same customer type, they get better at it faster, which means happier customers and repeat sales.
But again, not without its downsides. 1. Customer demands can conflict. 2. It needs skilled, specialized managers. 3. Defining customer groups can be tricky. 4. During low seasons, resources may go idle.
In defining customer groups often want different things, and managing all that variety is tough. Plus, it's not easy to find managers who deeply understand each group's needs. And when business slows down, departments might have more staff than customers, leading to waste.
In summary, product departmentation organizes by what a company sells. Customer departmentation organizes by who it sells to. Both aim for efficiency and satisfaction, just from different angles.
Think of it like this. If you group by product, you're focusing on the item. If you group by customer, you're focusing on the person. Smart organizations often use a mix of both, balancing internal efficiency with customer happiness.